Welcome to JH. Today, we're exploring how to extract images from a video using VLC Media Player. Start by opening VLC and loading the specific video you want to process. Head over to the Tools menu and select Preferences. In the bottom left corner of this window, make sure to toggle the All option under the Settings display. On the sidebar to the left, navigate to the Video section and then click on Filters. Look through the list to find and enable the Scene Video filter. You can keep the image format as PNG or pick a different one if you prefer. Next, define the directory path where your saved images will be stored. You should also set the recording ratio to control how often frames are captured. For instance, setting it to capture one frame every 5 seconds. Hit the Save button. Now, ensure the checkbox for the scene filter is active. When you play your video, VLC will automatically export images according to your specific settings. Once you're finished, remember to go back into the filters and uncheck the scene video filter. This step is vital so that VLC doesn't keep generating images every time you watch a movie. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more.